Good morning guys. Today medyo social yung ano natin kasi I am here in the palace, the Swedish palace, which is at the moment it is under refurbishment, so I think it's closed for visitors sometimes, so we cannot get inside, but I show you the whole building, guys. What you're seeing, guys, is the Swedish royal palace. It's, as you can see, the royal guards are still busy out there. It's too early, maaga pa kasi kaya wala masyadong tao, but this is a very big space. Napakalaki ng area nito, guys. And then dito sa kabila is the government buildings as well, see, and which is houses the public officials. Ayun sa likod ko yan. And then sa area andun din yung para part, but I will do it the separate page, the church. Okay, I will focus now on the palace. And kasi guys, ikutin natin. But in few times, busy na rin kasi today is Sunday. Actually, Swedish are on rest. So, ang makikita nyo is mga visitor lang.